Hi, I'm Greg from ExpertVillage, and today I'm going to teach you some magic tricks that you can do around the dinner table. The broken and restored toothpick. The preparation for this is take your napkin and find the hem and slide a toothpick into it. Now you can do this at any point in time during the meal. That's what's nice about these smaller tricks. People aren't expecting you to do anything, so you can sew a pair of socks under the table if you need to. So you continue using it however you want. Just remember which corner has the toothpick. So when the time comes for the actual performance, take a toothpick, lay it on the napkin, and just remember which corner has the toothpick in it. And what I find helps a lot is put the toothpick on an angle and then put the one inside the hem kind of across it, just so you don't accidentally grab the wrong toothpick and break it. Put the corners over top, just reach down, you know where it is, and break. Open it back up, and there's your toothpick. And you can continue picking whatever you want out of your teeth.